like to share a line from Johann Sebastian Bach's Lute Suite number 1 from the Gigue. It comes very early in the piece and it's in a lower register. I've moved it to a higher register, taken away some open strings, and hope that this might be of interest for you to add to your vocabulary and just as a way to see how to sequentially move a line through a key. If you've not yet done so, I'd ask you to please subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content, like and share, leave a comment. If you'd care to leave a tip, my PayPal information's in the description. And here we go with an excerpt from Johann Sebastian Bach's Gigue from the Lute Suite number 1. So the original line, it's this sequence that's quite nice. So the bass is rising by step. With a different melodic contour changing throughout. So we have a rising third, G to B, with E in the bass. This is 7th fret, 8th fret, 7th fret. Then we're rising up to the 9th fret, an F sharp and an E with a G still hanging in there melodically, coming to E at the 9th fret of the 3rd string. So melody. That's the upper contour, and we're going to take that through the key. This is all that Bach wrote, was just this. And now we're going to find its cousins and neighbors down the fingerboard, maybe up the fingerboard too a little bit. So now we get G and E, another E minor, with B, the remaining member of the triad. So we have a little second inversion E minor chord, G, E, and B. And that's acting to take us to A minor here, A and C at the 12th and 13th fret of the 5th and 2nd string. Now that's phrase with everybody moved down a step in the scale becomes that. And this is really a useful skill to know. I think it's essential for developing vocabulary in this kind of two-line improvisation style. So here we had E minor with, so that means our next sequence is going to be that in the scale. Now I'm going to adjust it to make it B7. So a little harmonic minor there. Hope you can hear the continuity of that. That's what we're trying to develop in our hearing to be able to improvise these things, is given a bass line and given some motion, we're hearing an upper line and trusting both our ears and our fingers to find where to go. So here's the one in D. We have D and F sharp with an A on top, 5th fret of the 1st string. So 5 and 7, D sharp, sorry, D and F sharp with an A on top. Then this nice little passing harmony. F sharp and D with an E in the bass. Rising up to F sharp and D with an A in the melody. So this is all 7, 7, 7. And I guess, depending on how you want to finger it, I've been using 2nd and 4th finger with a little bar, but you could come up this way. That's a reasonable fingering. 1, 4, 3. And then resolving to G. So this is as if it's D7 sound. We're doing that kind of thing. Going to D minor if you want. Now we can do from C, same. And we're conforming to this scale, so we didn't go to F natural. We could if we wanted to modulate, but F sharp and A. So 3/5 with 3 on top, C and E with a G on top, E and C with a D on the bottom, then E, C with a G, rising up to F sharp and A, then finally B, same deal, exact same fingerings, 4 and 2 and 4, sorry, B and D sharp with an F sharp on top, then C sharp, D sharp and B, 4, 4, 4 on strings 5, 3, 2. Reaching out to D sharp with a B and an F sharp. This little B chord. We can take it to E, 7 and 8, E and G. I'm just moving around. The other one that would be above would be kind of interesting because it has a slightly different interval structure up here because of where we are in this scale. So F sharp and A, reaching out to C at the 13th fret, so 9, 10, reaching up to 13. It's a nice move. 10 and 10, G and A with an F sharp. And now, instead of this straight across kind of thing that we've had, now it's got to be at a little bit of an angle. A, F sharp and C is a little D7 over A, coming into G over B. So A, C, F sharp, 12, 13, 14, to 14 and 15, B and D. So I hope this might be of interest. Another fun little line. I like these little short lines that we can expand and explore, see what else is there. Hope this finds you doing well, enjoying your music, and I do wish you, as always, a very good day.